Hello students, how are you all? I hope you must be fine. So this is your SST teacher Hina, and this chapter we will be starting for the final portion, that is chapter number 6, as we have completed half yearly portion. So this new chapter, chapter number 6, the climate of India, will be your final portion. Okay, this is your video number 1, the climate of India, chapter number 6. So in this video we will be covering two topics. That is, first topic is your weather and climate, and the second it will be factors affecting climate. Okay, so yes, let's move to our the topic, that is climate. I hope you must be knowing about climate, what type of climate the surrounding is having, the environment is having, or any particular place is having. You must be knowing about it. Climate, from the word climate, when it comes, then you must be thinking about that particular place, what kind of climate is present there, what type of what type of people living over there, and what type of climate at particular time it is being present over there. Okay, what is the month and during which that particular place is having. Okay, so there are various questions in climate also and weather also. These two words, climate and weather, they are little bit different, but not so different. Okay, first we will start with the term climate. Okay, so climate, it is climate refers to the weather conditions of a place over a long period of time. Okay, it refers to the weather condition of a place, of a place, you can say, yes, which is having a long period of time. Okay, yes, so I was just discussing about climate. Yes, so it refers to the weather condition of a place over a long period of time. So it exactly says that whatever the weather condition, whether that particular place is having extreme cold climate or extreme hot climate, then what particular, for a long period of time, that particular place is having, so that is what your climate. Like Himalaya region, you can see here the picture of Himalaya region, you can see here. So this type of this type of region, they are having a cold climate. So here we can say cold climate. Okay, cold climate, why we can say? Because it is a very large area. You have seen the Himalayas, it has been extended to a very large area, and here the climate is very cold throughout the year. That is why here the weather conditions are throughout the year, it is cold, and it is present in a large area over a long period of time. That means years and years, here the climate, it is very cold. Okay, it determines the particular place climate. Climate determines a particular place the weather conditions also, you can say. Now here the climate, it also influences the type of they wear, the clothing they wear. Now here, if they in Himalayan region, the people, if they are residing there, or in hilly areas people are residing, then that side area, it is a cooler area, it is a cold climate. So that side area, people will be wearing sweaters and all, mufflers and all, they will carry with that. Here the clothing is different, then here the food they eat is different, then here the styling of people, what they wear is, that is also different. Okay, according to the different places. So this is your climate. Now again, the next term which is very similar to climate only, that is your weather. Now here weather, you must be heard in news also, that the news anchor, they just say now let's go towards the weather report, weather forecast. The news anchor used to say like this at the end of the news headlines. Okay, they say about the new weather forecast also. So now here weather, it is a place, it is the state of the atmosphere describing the place and time. Okay, weather, it is a state of the atmosphere describing the place and time. Now here weather, it is present day to day changes, like in morning, early in the morning or at daytime you can see the bright sunny day, and after a few hours what happened, it changes and then it starts raining. Okay, that is weather changing. It is the changes present in weather. Okay, it is the condition of atmosphere at a certain place and time. Suppose in the morning, if it is a hot sunny day, then soon after what happens, some climatic changes happen, some weather changes happen, then it starts raining. Okay, so this is your weather. Sometimes it's hot and sometimes it's cold, sometimes it's wet and sometimes it's dry. So this is your weather condition. It is not that if that particular region is having a cold region, then throughout it is cold only. So it depends on weather is like, if early in the morning it is very bright sunny day, then at evening or afternoon what happens, the rain comes. So this is the difference between weather and climate. Climate is for a longer duration and weather is for the shorter duration. Okay, weather, it happens hours and hours, or today it is very hot sunny day, next day it will be rainy day. Okay, weather is not fixed, weather changes. Now here in the picture also I have shown you. Here you are seeing in the morning it is a hot sunny day, and soon after, as it is being afternoon, it has started raining. You can see here. So this is the changes which happens in one day only. Now there are few factors which are affecting climate. Okay, which affects the climate. They are, first is your location, the location of the place. Second is your temperature of that place. Third, rainfall, what kind of rainfall that particular area receives. Okay, then direction of wind. Suppose in any state the direction of the wind is flowing towards north side, then it will flow towards north side only, it will go toward north side only. Then next is your direction from the equator. Now this term equator, I will tell you, let me focus on location. Location, it is a location of a place determines its climate. Whichever location you are going, like you are going to suppose Himalaya region only, you can say, then what does you will find that climate, it is a very cold climate. There you will see throughout it is cold only. Okay, now temperature. Here the temperature also in Himalayan region, what you will find, it is a cooler climate. The temperature, it is very low degree. Okay, minus degree, or it is going to 1 degree, 2 degree, minus degree. Very low it is. The temperature over in Himalayan region, it is very low temperature. Rainfall. Okay, now rainfall, in rainfall you can say in some states, like for example, you can say Rajasthan, you have read earlier also, they receives very less rainfall or no rainfall. So the climate in desert region is like that only. The rainfall is very certain. Okay, no, not certain, it can be say uncertainty. There is no certainty. Okay, so here the rainfall, it is either very less rainfall or no rainfall in desert region. Then the next topic is your direction of wind. Okay, so here direction of wind, as I said, if the wind is flowing towards north direction, then that in that particular state, then it will regularly flow towards that direction only, that particular direction. Now the last factor is your direction from the equator. Okay, so direction from the equator. Now this factor, it determines the climate of a place. This equator, it is an imaginary line. Okay, it is an imaginary line. You will be reading this equator, about equator, in class 5. This is an imaginary line. As soon as you are going to near to the equator, then it will become hotter and hotter. As you are going more further and further, then it will be cold. So direction from the equator. If any state is very closer to equator, then it will become very hot. And if any state is far to the equator, then that place will be cold. So these are the factors, different factors which affect the climate. These are the different factors affecting climate. So yes, this was the topics which we have covered in this. So first was your weather and climate, and the second was your factors affecting climate. So this was video number 1. Now in video number 2, I will be just discussing on types of season. What are the different types of season and what type of climate do they have? Okay, for till now, okay, you just go through the video and just may understand whatever it is instructed, whatever I have taught you. And yes, okay, thank you, have a good day.